Hello and welcome. In this video, you will learn real English for everyday life in the United States. We will practice different situations like a doctor visit, talking about health insurance, understanding a prescription, paying the copay and cost, and speaking at a pharmacy. These are real conversations you can use when you visit a clinic in the U.S. or when you talk to a primary care doctor. You will also hear useful words like doctor appointment, health insurance plans, and even Medicare. All conversations are slow, simple, and easy to understand. Let's start and practice together.
Hello. Come in, please.
Hi, doctor.
How are you today?
I'm okay, but not great.
I see. What's the problem?
I have a headache, and I feel tired.
Okay. When did it start?
Maybe 2 days ago?
All right. Do you have a doctor appointment today, or are you a walk-in?
I have a doctor appointment. I booked it online.
Great. That makes things easier.
Yeah, I searched doctor near me and found this place.
That's good. This is a popular clinic in the U.S.
Yes, it looks very nice.
Thank you. Now, do you have a fever?
I think so. I feel warm.
Okay. Let me check. Yes, a small fever.
Oh, I see.
Do you have a cough?
No, not really.
Any pain in your body?
Just my head and a little in my neck.
All right. Let me ask you something important. Do you have health insurance?
Yes, I do.
Good. What kind of health insurance plans do you have?
Let me think. I think it's a basic plan.
That's okay. Many people have different health insurance plans in the U.S.
Yeah, it's a little confusing, you know?
Yes, I understand.
My friend told me about Medicare, but I don't have it.
That's fine. Medicare is usually for older people.
Oh, I see.
Do you have a primary care doctor, or is this your first visit?
This is my first time here.
Okay. I can be your primary care doctor if you want.
That would be great.
Perfect. Now, I will check your blood pressure.
Okay,
Everything looks normal.
that's good.
Yes. I think you are just tired and maybe stressed.
Yeah, I work a lot.
Where do you work?
I work in Los Angeles, in an office.
Oh, nice. LA is a busy city.
Yes, very busy.
Do you drink enough water?
Maybe not.
That's important.
I know. I forget sometimes.
It happens. Do you sleep well?
Not really. I sleep late.
Okay. That can cause headaches.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I will give you some simple medicine.
Thank you.
And please rest, drink water, and sleep early.
I will try.
Also, come back if you don't feel better.
Okay. Should I make another doctor appointment?
Yes, you can make another doctor appointment next week if needed.
All right.
Do you have any questions about your health insurance?
Yes. Will my health insurance cover this visit?
Most health insurance plans cover this, so you should be fine.
That's good to hear.
Great. Anything else?
No, that's all.
Okay. Take care.
Thank you, doctor.
Slow replay. Simplified and slower. Hello. Come in.
Hi.
How are you?
I feel tired, and I have a headache.
When did it start?
2 days ago.
Do you have a doctor appointment?
Yes.
Good. Did you search doctor near me?
Yes.
This is a clinic in the U.S.
Yes, it is nice.
Do you have health insurance?
Yes.
What health insurance plans?
A basic plan.
Okay. Do you know Medicare?
Yes, but I don't have Medicare.
That's okay. Do you have a primary care doctor?
No.
I can be your primary care doctor.
Thank you.
Drink water. Sleep well.
Okay.
Key phrases. What health insurance plans do you have?
I don't have Medicare.
I'm going to give you medication.
I have a headache.
Please rest and drink water.
I feel tired.
Schedule another appointment with the doctor.
I have a doctor's appointment.
Do you have any questions?
I need a primary care physician.
This is a clinic in the United States.
I searched for doctor near me.
Do you have health insurance? Repeat after me. I have a headache.
I feel tired.
I have a doctor appointment.
I need a doctor.
I searched doctor near me.
This is a clinic in the U.S.
I have health insurance.
I don't have Medicare.
I need a primary care doctor.
I will come back next week.
Vocabulary.
Headache, pain in your head.
Tired, no energy.
Doctor appointment, time to see the doctor.
Clinic, to small hospital.
Health insurance, to money, help for medical care.
Health insurance plans, to types of insurance.
Medicare, insurance for older people in the U.S.
Primary care doctor, to your main doctor.
Fever leads to high body temperature.
Medicine, right, something you take to feel better.
All right, I will give you a prescription.
Okay, thank you.
This prescription is for your headache.
I see.
I will give you a medication to help you feel better.
That's good.
This is the name of the medication.
Is it strong?
No, it is not very strong. It is safe.
Okay.
Now, let me explain the dosage.
Yes, please.
You need to take this medicine 2 times a day.
2 times a day. Okay.
1 in the morning and 1 at night.
Before food or after food?
Good question. Take this medicine after food.
All right.
Also, drink water when you take this medicine.
Okay, I will.
Do not take more than the dosage.
I understand.
If you feel better, you can stop after a few days.
That's easy.
You can get this medication at any drugstore in the U.S.
Oh, like CVS or Walgreens?
Yes, exactly.
There is a drugstore near my hotel in New York.
Perfect.
I have a question.
Sure.
Is this generic versus brand medication?
Good question. This is a generic medication.
What does that mean?
It means it is cheaper, but works the same.
Oh, that's good.
Brand medication is more expensive.
I prefer the cheaper one.
Many people do.
Will my insurance pay?
Yes, your insurance pays for most of it.
That's great.
Your insurance covers the medication, but you may have a small out-of-pocket cost.
How much?
Maybe $10 or $15.
That's okay.
If you need more later, you can refill prescription cost at the pharmacy.
Is the refill prescription cost the same?
Yes, usually the same or a little less.
That's good to know.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't.
Okay, if you feel anything strange, stop the medication.
All right.
And call me if you have problems.
I will.
Do you have any other questions?
Let me think. No, I think I understand.
Great.
Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome. Take care. Slow replay. Simplified and slower. I will give you a prescription.
Okay,
This is your medication.
thank you.
The dosage is simple.
Okay,
Take this medicine 2 times a day.
morning and night?
Yes, take this medicine after food.
Okay,
You can go to a drugstore in the US.
yes.
This is generic versus brand medication.
It is generic?
Yes, it is cheaper.
Good.
Your insurance pays for it.
That's good.
You have a small out-of-pocket cost.
Okay,
You can refill prescription cost later.
all right.
Key phrases. I will give you a prescription. This is your medication.
Let me explain the dosage. Take this medicine 2 times a day.
Take this medicine after food. Do not take too much.
Go to a drugstore in the US. This is generic versus brand medication.
Generic is cheaper. Insurance pays for it.
Insurance covers the cost. You have a small out-of-pocket cost.
You can refill the prescription. Call me if you have problems. Repeat after me. I have a prescription. This is my medication.
I take this medicine every day. I take this medicine after food.
The dosage is 2 times a day. I go to a drugstore in the US.
I want generic medication. My insurance pays for it.
I have a small cost. I can refill my prescription. Vocabulary. Prescription. Paper from the doctor for medicine. Medication. Medicine you take.
Dosage. How much medicine you take. Take this medicine. Use the medicine.
Generic medication. Cheaper medicine. Brand medication. Expensive medicine.
Insurance pays. Insurance helps pay. Out-of-pocket cost. Money you pay yourself.
Refill. Get more medicine again. Drugstore. Place to buy medicine.